There they are, just a walking down the street, singing do-a-dee-dee-dee-dee-dum, diddy Finn. Finn! There's Finn. Oh, and Deborah. We're having chicken and a biscuit for breakfast this morning. Yeah. Homemade. Well, we didn't go out to buy it. Yeah, frozen chicken, can of biscuits. That's about $7 at McDonald's. I don't know how much, but getting close probably. Good morning. It's been a busy morning. So today is Thursday, and I do my volunteer work here at the park, the RV park. And on Thursdays, what we do is me and this other guy, it's two of us, we count money. We count quarters from the laundry. We have a laundromat here, so we have to get all the quarters out of the laundromat, or out of the washers and all the dryers. And then we have different, donations for coffee, and we have a refrigerator that has all kinds of Cokes and ice creams and everything in that. And so some of those are 50 cents, some of them are $1. We've, what do we got in there? And candy bars and stuff like that. So if you ever hankering for a ice cream or a candy bar, we're way out in the middle of nowhere. You just go to the refrigerator and take you $1 or whatever, 50 cents. I mean, their prices for the chips, and because we have a chips area and Cheeto type, all kinds of little snacks and soft drinks and stuff in the refrigerator. And then we have a free pile, but you put stuff there, and then if you want to take something, then we put money in a little box, so and then you take it. So we have tag team to count all that money, basically. So today was our first time doing it. Not solo yet, that's next week. We're on our own now. But we did that, and so it took us about an hour and 20 minutes, I think, to get that done. So, and I'm on a building and safety committee, so I have a meeting today. I'm just waiting for them to text me to do that. So I'm on that committee. And so I thought, I'm not going to have a video today because at 2:15, Finn has an appointment at the vet to get his last rattlesnake shot. And so Sammy's due for her shot, so I made her an appointment for 2:45. So we're going to do that. And then we have a Walmart pickup order at 4. And my videos go out at 5 here. And I thought, I'm not going to have a video for today if I don't just come over here and thought, what can I do a video on? I thought, well, I'll just talk about my volunteer work here. I'm on a couple of committees, the beautification committee, I think and the building and safety committee. And then on Tuesdays, that volunteer is I count how many lots are occupied and not occupied. So I have to drive and see how many, but it's only once a week that I count how many sites are occupied, and if it's the people if they're visitors or not. I mean, it's just, I just have a whole thing that I do. But anyway, so got 2 more things of jerky. My neighbor, these are too hot for him, so he brought me these. Hot honey beef jerky from People's Choice. I'm going to have to order from them now because I ran out of that black pepper, and it was so good. This one's pretty good, and I've not tried this one because this is habanero. I told him, I said, I probably can't do this one. Sweet chili habanero. So I may be passing this one on too. But I thought I would try it before I pass it on. Maybe I could eat just small bites of it. I don't know. But thought I'd sit out here and drink me a little Diet Coke because I need to make me some tea. Have a little beef jerky. And do a video. That was so good. Not as good as the black pepper though. That black pepper. This is kind of warm. And Sammy has to get her shots today. Huh, Sam? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry in advance, okay? Okay. Let me show you my tomato plant. It's all bandaged up. So this is what, 2 days later, and it still doesn't look bad. So I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna die. I would think it would have already died. So I think it's looking pretty good. Look at my jalapenos. I've got a crazy amount of jalapenos again. I finally had to give some of those away. I'm gonna freeze some of these. I wish I had my dehydrator here when I go back to Texas. I'm gonna see if I can't get my dehydrator. Oh well. Next year, dehydrate some. Crush them up, make it like jalapeno powder. Yeah. So, I don't know if y'all have seen my drum on my wall. A friend of mine, Tony, gave me that drum several years ago, and I hung it there. But I want to show you what I got at the thrift store. I don't think I've shown this. And then, you know, my friend Deborah gave me the panda drum. Let's see. That drum, which I love to play. And you don't have to really play a song. You just play. It's nice. But I want to show you what I got at the thrift store the other day. Well, it's been probably over a month ago. This is a picture of a drum. Guy playing a drum. I was like, oh, I gotta have that and hang it up over there where my other drum is, hanging on the wall. That was before I even had this drum. So I was like, I love that picture. And then guess what was behind it? Picture of a guitar. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so I'm gonna hang these in my little tiny house, in my little casita. But yeah, and today, oh good, it has already hangers on it. Today is Thursday, which is half price day at the thrift store. I don't know if we're going because we're just doing taking the dogs to the vet and a Walmart pickup. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to you because I know I hadn't shown that. I might have shown this one, but then I went ahead and this one was still there. I got this Believe, Dream, and Imagine. But I got this one just because of in my casita. I'll show you. It says Faith, Hope, and Love. If you go right up here, I have a border. Have I shown this already? It says Faith, Hope, and Love. Yeah. So I'm going to probably hang those over here. I'm going to probably hang those somewhere on this wall. So I don't really know where I'm going to hang the drums though, but oh, candy. Squirrel. Oh, I can't get into it. I need a piece. I need a Smarties. Look at there, Smarties.